boys and girls, let's talk about some sound dictation. Usually when we're at school, we work on this in our sand trays. Your teacher says a sound, you say the sound back, and then you draw the letter that goes with that sound in your sand tray. Well, most of us don't have sand trays at home. I know I don't. So I created a little shaving cream board. You can use shaving cream at home if your mom or dad says it's okay. You can use rice, you can use sand, you can use sugar. You don't need a lot of it, just something in a little tray that's not going to spill out and that you can see your letters that you make to go with our sounds. So I'm going to show you what I mean. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say a sound. You say that sound back, and then you are going to draw it in your material, whatever you chose to do. You can even do like Play-Doh or something like that too, and maybe make the letters. That's a good idea. So if I said to you, t, you're going to say back to me, t, and then you're going to draw it in your material. So T says t, just like that. Okay? I'm going to erase it. I'm going to do the next one, and you can try it with me. All right. How about D? D. Say the sound back to me, and you write it in your material. So I'm going to do D says D. All right. How about, ooh, this one you know 2 ways to make this sound. 2 ways you know to make this sound. K. K. Show me the 2 ways you know to make the sound K. Ready? I know that C says K, and I know that K says K. So I have C says K, K says K. All right, try this one. What do you think? Ooh, this is a tricky one. Are you ready? Ch. Listen to that sound again. Ch. Can you make that in your material? What makes ch? Here I go. C-H says ch. How'd you do? Let's try a vowel. How about this one? Repeat the sound back to me, and then you draw it in your material. Ah. Ah. What do you think? O says ah. Got it. How about, what do you think? Let's try Hear that one? Say it back to me. Now write it in your material. F says F. You got it. Good work. How about R? R. Hear me on that one? What do you think? R says R. Here we go. You're getting good. You're getting good. Let's go a little quicker. How about B? B. B says B. All right. How about P? P. Let's try that one. P says P. P says P. How about G? G. G says G. G says G. How about, some people get confused with these two. How about J? J. J says J. J says J. How about N? N. N says N. What about this one? M says M. You got it. So don't forget, you can play along with me or you can practice this again on your own. Make sure you have some permission to get some supplies to do this and have somebody at home say the sounds for you and you can practice working on your sounds. Have fun!